Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone speaker muffled on calls. In this video I'll share some troubleshooting tips to follow if your iPhone speaker sounds muffled on calls. There are myriad reasons why your iPhone sounds muffled during phone calls. We will try to cover a few main aspects of why this happens and then we will give some tips on how to troubleshoot. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clean iPhone ear speaker. If you use your iPhone in a dirty environment, check the ear speaker for obstruction like dirt and grime. These things can easily get into the speaker grill of your iPhone and muffle sounds on calls. One of the key indicators of a problem like this is when your iPhone sound feels distorted or muffled rather than clearer and you don't have a case on. And also you should take off iPhone case. And the next step is turn your iPhone off and on again. If it's a software glitch which can happen from a time to time, you might be able to fix it simply by turning your iPhone off and on again. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update to the latest version of iOS. There is probability something in the iOS software itself has become corrupted, and installing an updated copy of iOS and solve the problem. To do that, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And also connect a headset and see if the sound works. If iPhone sound muffled on calls with a built-in speaker after trying all the above steps but are able to hear the caller clearly via the headset when the headset is connected, there could be a problem with your ear speaker. If you believe an issue is to tight the iPhone speaker, then you will most likely to visit an Apple store to have your speaker serviced. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone speaker muffled on calls, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.